Welcome to TOTAL360. At TOTAL360, we've made protecting your investment simple. Your TOTAL360 protection plan is designed to help reduce unexpected repair costs and keep your business moving. Enjoy no mileage caps, fast claim approvals, easy claim submission through our claims portal, and convenient access from the TOTAL360 mobile app. Repairs must be completed at a licensed repair facility with certified technicians. It's all designed to make every step simple and hassle-free. The TOTAL360 mobile app makes it easy to manage your agreement wherever you are. You can view all your agreement details on the customer portal. And if your truck needs a repair, filing a claim is quick and straightforward. Just visit the claims portal. Submit the required information. Follow the claim status online. Do not clear the codes. You'll also have the option to choose between standard claims and express claims, depending on your situation. No matter which option you use, you can track your claim status online from start to finish. Keeping your agreement in good standing is easy. Follow the maintenance schedule in your agreement. Keep all service records and receipts. Upload maintenance records in the mobile app. Stop driving if warning lights or abnormal noises occur. Addressing potential issues early can help prevent further damage and keep the claims process moving smoothly. At TOTAL360, we're committed to making every step simple, from helping you protect your investment to providing the support you need when it matters most. We're here to help keep you on the road. If you have questions, contact our TOTAL360 team at any time.